often make cauliflower pizza. You guys might have seen that. It's been trending lately, as is cauliflower. And it's basically zhuzhed up cauliflower with some egg and cheese, and you use that to make a dough. And I love the idea of cauliflower pizza, but I also love the idea of making cauliflower steaks into pizza because it eliminates that whole process of making the dough. So I'm going to start slicing up my cauliflower. Here's what the cauliflower steaks look like. I'm actually going to cut off a little bit of the green on the side. You want to keep the little spine of your cauliflower intact. Otherwise, when you slice it, and I'll show you in a minute. Actually, let me show you now. If you don't, the ends are not in there. So let's see. If you don't, then it'll just break apart. Yeah. So make sure you keep that spine in. Not everything is usable, so you're gonna have bits that you're not gonna use. I'm just gonna place them here out of the way for a second. And the bits that you don't use, you could do a bazillion things with. You could make a tabbouleh, you could throw them into a salad, you can grill them, just with some olive oil and salt, a little drizzle of lemon even. So keep that cauliflower, it's good stuff. All right, so before we get these perfectly ready, we're just gonna drizzle the pan with a little olive oil. And I'm making these in a pizza oven today. As you can tell, I'm standing right next to a pretty gorgeous one. So I'm going to do this in one go. If you were going to do this in the oven, which, yeah, usually almost only doing it in the oven, I would drizzle a little bit more oil on top of this and then pop it in the oven. Roast your cauliflower for about 30 minutes until it's brown. Then take it out and do the rest of the steps, okay? But we're gonna skip that now and put it straight in the pizza oven because it's so hot. Okay, so we're gonna get these all ready. So we've got our final touches. And I'm going to drizzle the top again. Remember, pop them in the oven right now if you've got an oven. Little drizzle. Okay, and I'm gonna put my tomato sauce straight away. We've got all of our tomato sauce, and you can get really messy with this. It doesn't have to be perfect. By the way, I'm using a bottled sauce. Do you know why? Because I'm really hungry for cauliflower pizza, and I don't have any marinara sauce made, so I'm using some bought stuff, which is very okay. You have permission to use bought sauce. Got some shredded mozzarella. You can use your favorite cheese if you want. This is what we always have in the freezer. Looks like pizza already, doesn't it? I'm gonna top it with some basil. And a little bit of Parmesan cheese too. Salt, you don't need a lot of salt because obviously you have the cheese. And we are gonna pop this in the oven, and when we come back, it's gonna be ready. All right, this is looking perfect. So we've got a bit of crisp on the edges, and I'm gonna plate this up with a little green salad because nothing says pizza healthier than a green salad. A little bit of a green vinaigrette that I keep on hand in the fridge for these types of moments. I think I'm gonna go find a little bit more of a scenic spot to sit and have lunch for a couple minutes. So let's go.